बढ़िया से बनाते रहो, ठीक है?
ओके।
मैं तो
எல்லாமே வச்சுக்கோங்க.
நாளைக்கு போகணும்.
ஏன்
Okay, shut this off. So you can.
Yes,
Let's see. Uninstall. Now you see all the available drivers which are
Yes.
on the system, on the Windows. So uninstall everything. Succeeded? Succeeded.
Okay.
Yeah? Now you start again. Yes. Next. 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 Run the printer installation wizard. Finish. Next. Install.
Yes.
Install. Accept. Next. Now you choose the ZT421.
Yes.
This one.
ZPL.
ZPL.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
421 and 200 dots per inch.
Yes.
ZPL. Okay. Next. You choose USB 1.
LPT1.
LPT1.
Normally should be no. Normally it's connected to USB 1. So now we don't see USB 1. So we can take any of them. LPT1.
Yes.
We take LPT1. Afterwards in the driver you can change the connection.
Okay.
Next.
Both.
Launch
Unclick.
down need One set of blah blah. This is additional software. Don't need. Finish.
Then power.
USB.
I always disconnect
USB.
during this installation. PC between the printer and PC. Now,
One.
sorry.
Okay.
The printer. Printers and scanners. Yeah.
Jet P. Yeah.
So, yeah, which one is it now? Manage
Yes.
printing preferences properties. Somewhere you have ports. USB 1. Now you see, I choose apply USB 1. Manage properties, ports is okay. No, it was this one. Manage properties, ports. USB 1. The DRS file is also somewhere our production people, they copy it on the D, this one. Open codecs, SQL printer driver, info setup, this DRS, but this is 420 EPL, not. This is not correct. Ah, because previously this was with the 420.
Yes.
Yeah.
I have the import, export, import. You choose F. This is the DRS. Open, apply. Okay. And now we should have. Manage. Now you have all the settings, you have the barcode fonts already, so you don't need to create them everything, because otherwise everything, after
Yes.
installation,
Yes.
everything is empty.
Yes.
When you copy the DRS file, upload all the settings, necessary settings, then you have less work.
Oh, yes.
Yeah? So, preferences, calibrate. Right. You have standard labels, maybe? Preferences 4018. Somewhere web sensing continues. Tracking mode continues. Mark sensing, web sensing continues. Okay. Printed preferences. Okay. Now we go to the D. Subsoft. SystemDB. Layer creator. Open. setup. Because here you see I have still the old one. D421, okay. Test printing, okay. Test printing, okay. Test printing, okay.
फिर जहाँ पे वो पोर्ट में दिखा रहा था जो पुराने मशीन में हम लोग यूज किया था उसमें ये था ही नहीं।
Okay, now we go. And you have the yeah, this is okay. This is
Copy,
the right
copy,
one.
you have to select copy.
Select
Select. See.
Choose the copy.
Choose the, yes. No. First one, first window.
First one.
window.
First one, yeah.
First
Click
window.
on it.
Click one. इसमें
Copy.
copy one. Select copy one. OK, press OK. Down.
Okay, confirm. Okay.
Here also OK.
Also, when you change something, never go out with cancel.
Okay.
Always okay, to confirm,
Okay.
to save it.
Okay.
Again OK. Now you can check the again print VC label.
Yeah, for example, here.
Test. Okay. Good.
Okay. Okay. Next scene.
In the driver, this model not showing.
Model number is not in the driver. Right?
Yes. And then create
Is it
the
showing
the display.
Again.
Not showing.
The model we are choosing for
You
installation.
wanted to, wait, you must inform me. You had the problem on the 550 D800 or on the 550 867?
550-867.
Okay. When you take this driver, you can choose it. And they are working.
So driver, the list of the printer